Hey guys, I think there is a definite need for a VPN, virtual private network, because I came from India. Right now I live in USA, and many of the sites or whatever I want to do, many of the times actually when I access some internet site, they ask me to confirm my location because I am accessing from USA, and many of the sites also do not allow me to do any transaction if I am doing it from USA. So sometimes I used to call my parents or my brother to get the things done. There is a good need that I should have a VPN. I see that ExpressVPN, NordVPN and private internet access, these three seem to be very popular in VPN world. So I am just going for a cheaper one actually, because I don't know how many days or how many months will I be using. I just want to try this, so I'm just going with private internet access. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it doesn't have smart DNS. I really don't think that we need smart DNS for some of the things that I will be doing, so this should be okay for me. Okay, so I was thinking I will go with this 2.69 for 2 years, but I don't know if this plan will be helpful for me for 2 years. I think this is fine, because if I'll go and I'll use it for 2-3 months, then I will be spending anyway almost the same amount of money that I will be spending in 1 year. 2 years option, it gives some more security features and 2 months free, but I really don't know if how much worth will it be. So I'll be going with this yearly plan. Let's select this and let's go ahead and buy this. Okay, payment options are available: credit card, PayPal, Amazon, and cryptocurrencies also they are taking. Oh, nice. But anyway, I'll go with my credit card option here. Okay guys, I think I got this 1 year box crypto subscription also free, which is good, because I see that when we went to this website, right, box encryption was not included with 1 year, but 2 year it was included. After you purchase this plan, download private internet access for Mac OS. I'll download this Mac OS. Okay, cool. I got a VPN IP address. This is nice. So there is also a very interesting feature from this private internet access. You can see username, password here, right? But let's say for some reason username and password, you forgot your username and password, because those are really cryptic, that has been sent to your email for the first time. It's difficult to remember them. So in that case, you want to quickly log in, then you can go with login with email. Okay, when you say login with email, you just have to enter your email ID here. Use your email ID, and then you can say send email. Okay, once you send email, you will receive an email to your inbox, and then you go there and you click this link. Okay, sign into the private, you click this link, or you just click this button. Once you click this button, it will ask you to open the private internet access, that app that you have actually just launched, and it's automatically log in there. Okay, you don't have to enter your username and password. This is really handy. By default, it will remember the last VPN server. It will connect from the same server. Okay, and you just have to click switch on, and now you are connected. You can see that. Now as you see, I have installed this private internet access. You can see this screen, it shows US East. Right now I will change this location to, let's say, India. Okay, let's say if you are using this VPN for trading, then you should not use very slow network. For example, high latency servers you should not choose. Okay, so we should choose something which is very low latency. Okay, so if I go to netflix.com, it should take me to a Netflix Indian website. Okay, you can see that netflix.com/in, which means it is actually connecting to Indian website. That's it for now, guys. Actually, I myself have never ever used a VPN. This is my first time I used it, and I think this is awesome. This is very simple step. Okay, very easy. Only thing is that how much money that you want to spend, and I just went with the cheapest VPN subscription for now, just for my personal uses. Okay, yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching, and see you next time.